Today we're going to learn how to give certain portion of image brightness or control the brightness. So let's just start. File menu, open, select any image from your hard drive you want to apply curve adjustment. Click open. The third adjustment from the right is known as curve adjustment. Click on the icon. In every adjustment you got the auto button. Let's decide the Photoshop according to the pixel value of image which curve reflection is better for outcome. But we can also move the curve for visual effect controlling by eyeballing the image pixels, which is the need of our outcome. We can move these curve up and down, up for brightness and down for darker values. Want to see your before and after results? Click on the eye to turn it off and turn it on, and make image more decorative. Thank you.